we explain PCR. PCR is P Polymerase chain reaction. Amplification of the desired area on the DNA sequence using a pair of primers and heat resistant polymerase. It can amplification certain DNA from small amount of DNA easily and rapidly.
Now I talk to you about the principle. First, set the region where amplification is desired and design a primer. Primers are designed in pairs so as to sandwich the region to be amplified sandwich. In step 1, the temperate double-stranded DNA is heat denatured and dissociated into single-strand DNA. The DNA is double-stranded by hydrogen bonding between bases, but when the temperature is raised from 94 to 98 degrees, the hydrogen bond between the bases is broken and double-stranded DNA becomes single-stranded. In step 2, attach the primer to the single-stranded DNA. When the temperature is lowered from 50 to 65 degrees, the single-stranded DNA tries to return double-stranded again, but the primers added to the reaction liquid are shorter and more than the original DNA. So the original DNA binds to the temperate DNA prior to returning to double-stranded DNA. At this time, due to the complementarity of the bases AT and GC, the primer binds to a specific position. Yeah, these are specific position.
In step 3, the DNA polymerase synthesizes the complementary strand of the original DNA from the primers. When the temperature is raised to the optimum temperature for DNA polymerase, the synthesis reaction by DNA polymerase is started. A complementary strand is synthesized by the DNA polymerase based on the base sequence of the original DNA. By repeating the above 3-step reaction, theoretically, the target area is amplified by n times of n in n times. Thus, DNA is amplified a millionfold in a few hours.
I'm going to talk about application example of PCR. First is food inspection. It is used for the detection of microbes and virus and examination for genetically modified crops. Second is medical examination. It is used for diagnosis of the diseases and the detection of the infectious diseases. They are used in the crime investigation. In addition, it is used for biotechnology industry and molecular biological study. Thank you for listening.